The Hebrew word Davka has a few meanings, and in this tutorial, I'll break them all down for you. In this video, I'll teach you the different ways native Hebrew speakers use this unique word. Brought to you by Kapara Productions, let's dive straight into it. Let's first start off with the spelling of this word. We see that this word ends with the letter Aleph, where in Hebrew, most words which end with an A sound will end off with the letter Hey. When we spot a word which ends with the letter Aleph, it will usually imply that this word is a loan word from a different language. In this case, as in many others, from Hebrew's long-lost cousin, Aramaic. In Aramaic, it is used as exactly or as precisely. However, in modern Hebrew, we use this word in a slightly different way. Please keep the Aramaic usage in mind, as it will make a grand comeback at the end of this video. In most cases in modern Hebrew, Davka will be used as a modifier, meaning it will modify what is said in the sentence. In modern Hebrew, as opposed to Aramaic, it will be translated as actually or as specifically, and we'll use it either to emphasize something or to contradict what has been said. I know this sounds just a bit confusing, and I'll show you how it's done with the following examples. Here are two examples for using it as actually. האוכל במסעדה היה ממש טעים. באמת? אני דווקא לא אהבתי אותו. The food at the restaurant was really good. Really? I actually didn't like it. אני ממש לא יודעת מה לעשות. Hey, אולי דווקא אני יכולה לעזור לך. I really don't know what to do. Hey, perhaps it could be me who could actually help you out. Now, let's look at Davka used as specifically. דווקא היום חייב לרדת גשם? Does it have to rain specifically today? למה את רוצה לנסוע דווקא לרומא? דווקא לי לא מפריע לנסוע למדינה אחרת. זו את שרוצה לנסוע רק לאיטליה, ואני עדיין לא הייתי ברומא. Why do you want to travel specifically to Rome? I actually don't care to travel to a different country. It is you who wants to travel to Italy, and I haven't been to Rome yet. Notice how in the previous example, I showed how to use Davka as actually and as specifically. Let's move on to using Davka in slang. Here, we'll use the word as doing something to someone in spite, just to get the other person upset, and it will always come attached to the verb la'asot, or to one of its conjugations. Let's check out some examples, shall we? אני עושה לו דווקא. Literally meaning, I'm doing him davka, but actually meaning, I'm just doing it to him for spite. למה את תמיד עושה לי דווקא? As before, why do you always do this when you know it's pissing me off? Last but not least, I'll davka show you that in modern Hebrew, we still use the Aramaic translation of davka. We'll use it by saying lav davka, which translates from Aramaic as not necessarily. Some people confuse lav davka with the more colloquial lo bityuk, which means not exactly, while lav davka means not necessarily. Example time. תגידי לי, בשוק הכרמל מוכרים רק פירות וירקות? לאו דווקא, אפשר למצוא גם דוכני אוכל, בגדים וצעצועים. Tell me, do they only sell fruits and vegetables in the Carmel market? That's the main market in Tel Aviv, by the way. Not necessarily. You can also find food stands, clothing, and toys. הוא לאו דווקא האיש הכי עשיר, אבל הוא התורם הכי גדול שלנו. He's not necessarily the richest man. However, he is our biggest donor. That is all, guys and girls. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, yalla bye!